Hi friends, welcome to Math Lesson 8.8. Today we're going to start off just practicing our math facts. 4 plus 3. And I think, oh, I know my doubles pretty well. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So let's try the next one. 6 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Man, we're getting really fast, friends. Good job. Let's try this next one. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1, 13. Well done, friends. Well done. Let's try our next page here. I'm going to clear our screen. We're going to the next one. Here we are. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. We'll try the next one. See what you're practicing your own strategies, friends. 8 plus 4. I know 8 plus 2 is 10 and 2 more is 12. Good. Try this next one. 4 plus 9. Well, 9 plus 1 is 10 and 3 more, 13. Good work. Let's try our next one, friends. Now we're subtracting. 12 minus 4. We're going to count down. That would be 8. We're going to try that next one. 13 minus 8. Well, 12 minus 4 is 8. 13 minus 8, that's got to be one more. 5. Let's try this next one. Oops. Look at that. See, the cool part about this, friends, is that Mrs. Berger makes mistakes too. You'll notice that. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7, that would be 5 as well. Let's pull up our writing tool. Let's try this next one. Here we are, and it's a word problem, friends, so you read it to yourself. Jane bought 3 packs of gum. There are 5 sticks of gum in each pack. How many sticks of gum did she buy? Draw pictures to help find your answer. 3 packs of gum. So sometimes I just draw pictures to help myself. There's one. Boy, do I like to chew gum too. There's 2, 3. How many pieces were in each? Oh, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could you have drawn different pictures? Yeah. You might know this would be 5. Might be able to just do 5 plus 5 plus 5. I might also just draw an array. You guys are good at that too. I could do 3 rows for 3 packs and then 5 pieces in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. You bet. So I can see here that what I'm doing here is 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is called repeated addition. And you know what's cool, friends? Each group, I have equal number of pieces of gum, equal groups, and we're repeatedly adding them. So this must mean that we are multiplying. That's right, friends. Multiplying. Can you believe it? We are doing 3 packs times 5 pieces of gum in each pack is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15 pieces of gum. Because we have to remember that multiplication is repeated addition. And you guys are all capable of repeated addition, so that means we can multiply too. Good job. Let's try this next one. Your family has 3 bicycles. Each bicycle has 2 wheels. How many wheels are there in all? So I've got my bike. I'm going to draw a picture because that's the easiest way for me to learn, friends. So I'm going to draw my bike. Here I am. There's one bike. Do our pictures have to be perfect? Nope, they don't. That's the cool part. It's just meant for us. So I got my 3 bikes. Each bicycle has 2 wheels. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. How many wheels are there in all? Well, I see 3 groups. Remember, 3 equal groups. And I could also draw it like an array, couldn't I? Where I would do 1, 2, 3 for 3 bikes, and then 2 wheels on each bike. Huh, let's try that again. So that would be like saying 2 plus 2 on this bike and another 2 over here. 2, 4, 6. How about this one? That would be 3 down and 2 columns, 3 plus 3, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Good job. Here's our next one. For each number story on the following screens, draw a picture and then answer the questions and write the number model. These pictures are really important, friends, so let's make sure we get those in. For each number story, draw a picture and then write the answer and then write the number model. You read with me at home. There are 3 rows of cans on the shelf with 4 cans in each row. How many cans are there in all? 3 rows. So I'm going to go ahead and make 3 rows. I'm going to draw an array. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 4 cans in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boy, that would be the same as what number model? Could I do 4 plus 4 plus 4? Sure. Wonder if there's another number model we can do. Remember we were talking about repeated addition. What was the same as repeated addition? Oh, that's right, multiplication. Let's do it. So I've got 3 down, so that would be like 3 rows times 4 in each row. What's our answer here? 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 more is 12. Is this the same? 3 times 4? 4, 8, 12. Yes. Yes, repeated addition is the same as multiplication. Awesome. Let's try this next one. Number 2. You read it with me. Mr. Young has 4 boxes of markers. There are 6 markers in each box. How many markers does he have in all? Let's see, 4 boxes. So I could do my array. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many were in each? Equal groups. Oh, 6 markers in each. That's a good example of equal groups, right, friends? So I'm going to put 6 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Mr. Young has how many markers? I need a good number model here. Let's see. I see 6 in that row, 6 here, 6 there, and 6 more. So that'd be 6 plus my second row, 6 plus my third row, 6 plus my fourth row of markers, 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. I could do an array here too, and I see 4 rows times 6 in that row is equal to 24. Because remember, friends, repeated addition is what? Yes! Multiplication. Good job. Let's try number 3. You read it with me. Sandy has 4 bags of marbles. Each bag has 4 marbles. How many marbles does she have in all? Let's do that. So we got 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 in each bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So when I look down here to do my number model, I can say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. There's 4 and 4, that's 8. Here's 4 and 4, that's 8. 8 and 8 is 16. And that would be the same as saying 4 down, 4 in that row, times 4 across is equal to 16 because I know that repeated addition is multiplication. Very good. Oh, here we go. They think they're going to stump us on this. Try this. They don't know who is working on this, do they, friends? You can do it. May folded her paper into 2 columns of 4 boxes in each. How many boxes did she make? 2 columns. That would be 2 down and 4. Excuse me, friends, that would be 4 down. They're trying to fool us. They almost stumped me, didn't they? 4 down and 2 in each. What do we have here? May made, let's see, I see 4 and 4 more. That means 8 boxes. So that would be the for number model. That's the same as saying 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, or 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Because we are doing repeated addition, and repeated addition is multiplication. Way to go, superstars. Thanks.